Welcome to Funimation 3D. We're here to explore amazing science facts in the coolest way. Today, we have something truly spectacular to talk about. It's not just any volcano, it's the biggest volcano in the entire solar system. Have you ever wondered what the biggest volcano in the solar system looks like? Well, get ready to travel to Mars and check out Olympus Mons. It's huge! Olympus Mons is the largest volcano in our solar system, and it's found on Mars, the fourth planet from the Sun. But what makes it so special? Let me give you a comparison to show just how huge Olympus Mons is. It's about 3 times the height of Mount Everest, which is the tallest mountain on Earth. Imagine climbing up Mount Everest, but doing that 3 times over, and that's the height of Olympus Mons. That's incredible, right? So where exactly can you find this monster volcano? Olympus Mons is located on Mars, the red planet. Mars is different from Earth in many ways. It's colder, drier, and it has a much thinner atmosphere. But it's still pretty amazing. It has valleys, canyons, and of course, Olympus Mons standing tall on its surface. Mars is the 4th planet from the Sun, and it's often called the red planet because of its reddish surface. Olympus Mons is located in the western part of Mars and is so big that you can spot it from space. Now, you may be wondering, why did this volcano get so huge? Well, the answer is gravity. Mars has much less gravity than Earth. On Earth, gravity holds things down, so volcanoes can only grow so big before gravity starts to pull them back down. But on Mars, since gravity is weaker, volcanoes like Olympus Mons have more room to grow taller and wider. Imagine stacking a bunch of volcanoes one on top of the other. That's how big Olympus Mons is. The volcano has been erupting for millions of years, and each eruption added more layers of lava. Over time, all these layers built up and created this giant mountain. Isn't that amazing? Now, let's talk about just how big Olympus Mons really is. Ready for some numbers? Olympus Mons is about 370 miles wide. That's the size of the entire state of Arizona. Just think about that for a moment. It's so wide that you could fit the entire state of New Mexico inside it. Can you imagine how much space that is? And guess what? It's not just wide, it's tall too. At over 69,000 feet tall, Olympus Mons stands 3 times taller than Mount Everest. It's the tallest volcano in the solar system, and it stands out from the surface of Mars like a giant mountain in the sky. What makes Olympus Mons even more special is that it's not just tall, it's also wide. This volcano is so big that if you stood at the base of Olympus Mons, it would take you days just to walk around it. In fact, Olympus Mons is bigger than any volcano on Earth. You could fit the largest volcano on Earth, called Mauna Loa in Hawaii, inside Olympus Mons, and there would still be room to spare. Isn't that mind-blowing? Let's dive into some more cool facts about Olympus Mons. When Olympus Mons erupts, it spreads lava across the surface of Mars. And because Mars has less gravity than Earth, the lava can travel farther than lava on Earth. Imagine lava flowing for hundreds of miles from the volcano. It's like a never-ending river of hot rock. Scientists are super curious about Olympus Mons. By studying it, they can learn about the volcanic activity on Mars, how the planet's surface has changed over time, and what might have caused Mars to become so different from Earth. Who knows? They might even discover more about the history of life on Mars by studying this giant volcano. Olympus Mons has likely been active for billions of years. Scientists think that it formed a long time ago when Mars had a much thicker atmosphere and possibly more volcanic activity. Over time, as Mars cooled down, the volcano kept erupting, building more and more layers of lava. If you think Olympus Mons is big, consider this. Its base is so wide that you could fit France inside it. The volcano is so large that from the base to the top, it would be taller than the entire height of Mount Everest. It's a towering giant. Unlike Earth, Mars has dust storms that can cover the entire planet. These dust storms can sometimes blow over Olympus Mons, but they don't affect the volcano much. The storms are a result of the planet's thin atmosphere and extreme temperatures. What makes Olympus Mons even more fascinating is the fact that it might not be the last volcano of its kind on Mars. Scientists believe that, in the past, Mars could have had even larger volcanoes. Imagine, there may have been even bigger mountains and volcanoes on Mars long before Olympus Mons grew to its gigantic size. Who knows what else the red planet has hidden under its dusty surface? Now, let's talk about the age of Olympus Mons. This volcano has been erupting for millions of years. It's believed to have started forming billions of years ago. In fact, the Martian geological history is filled with ancient volcanic activity. The rocks and lava that make up Olympus Mons have likely traveled over time, which makes it a super important place for scientists to study. Did you know that scientists also use Olympus Mons to study how other planets might behave over time? By observing the volcano on Mars, they can learn about volcanic processes on planets like Venus or even the moons of Jupiter. It's like studying Mars can help us understand more about other parts of the universe. How cool is that? Isn't Olympus Mons just amazing? It shows us how different planets can be from Earth, and just how huge volcanoes can get in space. I mean, who knew there could be such big volcanoes out there? If you think Olympus Mons is as cool as we do, give us a thumbs up and share this video with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to Funimation 3D for more fun science adventures. We're just getting started, and there's so much more to explore in the world of space and science. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed learning about Olympus Mons and the amazing world of volcanoes. See you next time on Funimation 3D, where we make science fun and easy to understand. Stay curious and keep exploring.